Hello, I'm Damodar back again with writing skills. Let us see some more sentences and some more words. We have a city bus. City means shar and city bus is shari bus. Which खंयचें garden पोरसूं goes वता railway station railway स्थानक how कसो कशें कशी. For three different genders we have three different words, unlike in English. English is only how. In Konkani we have kaso masculine, kashi feminine and kashen neuter. Where is khoi? Far is pais. Let's frame some sentences. Ho rasto khoi vata. Rasto means road or street. Khoi vata means where does it go? What does it lead to? Where does this road lead to? Horasto khoi vata. Khoi is where. The tourist comes and asks where he wants to know where the city bus starts from. So he is asking, Shari Seva bus खंयच्यान मेळटली? He wants to know the city bus service, the starting point of the city bus. Bus is bus in Konkani. Khoi is where. And khaychan is from where. In Konkani, we have suffixes like chan, san, sound, pasun. So when you want to ask a question, you have to add a suffix to the word खंय. Railway station कितलें पयस आसा. कितलें is how much, or here it simply means how, and पयस is far. So how far is the railway station? The tourist wants to go to the Mahatma Gandhi road and he asks, Mahatma Gandhi Marga वचपाक खंयचो रस्तो आसा? Again, खंय means where, and खंयचो here means which. So it depends on the context how you ask the question. चलात पोरसांत भोंवपाक वचुया. चलात means let us go. Let's go. चलात पोरसांत. पोरसूं is garden. And when we want to say to the garden or in the garden, we say porsant, to the garden. Bhompak is to roam around. We have some more words. City is shar. Public toilet is bhaushik shauchalay. Staple crops are pecan, reached, पावलें, पावला, पावलों, depends on the subject. Normally it is पावलें. Sweets means gourd genus. Sweet is gourd and sweets are gourd genus. Cultivation is lagward. Population is janasankhya. Jana is people and sankhya is number. Road is rasto. So the person unknown to the city is asking, Sharat famat gourd genus खंय मेळटात? He wants to know where sweets are available. From where will I get the famous sweets in the city? From where? खंयच्यान or simply खंय. हांगा कसल्या पिकांची लागवड करतात? Pik is crop. पिकांची of crops. Lagward is cultivation. So what kind of crops, what kind of staple crops do you cultivate here? कसल्या पिकांची लागवड करतात? भौशीक शौचालय खंय आसा? Where is the public toilet? Bhaus means people or public. Bhaushik is public. Bhaushik is an adjective here. Where is the public toilet? Toilet is शौचालय. तुमच्या राज्याची जनसंख्या कितली? What is the population of your state? Jana is lok. We can also say lok sankhya, which means population, number of people residing in the state. Raj is, you already know that it is the state. तुमच्या राज्याची जनसंख्या कितली? How much? कितले? कितली? Since sankhya is feminine, lok sankhya or janasankhya is feminine. So that is why the word turns to be kitli, feminine. This is for neuter. उपकार करून रस्त्यार कोयर उडोव नाकात. Please don't throw waste on the road. Rasto is the road, but on the road means rastyar. We also have another word, margar, means on the road. Rasto and marg mean road or street. Upkar karon, please don't throw waste on the road. Upkar karon, koi rastyar udon nakat. Let us see how to write some more sentences. Where is the local temple, or where is the famous temple? हांगा देवूळ खंय आसा? In place of temple, you put church. Hanga will remain same, this will remain same. And in place of devur, you will get the word igars. Igars comes from the Portuguese word igreja. So the Portuguese built churches, and the word igreja is drawn from the Portuguese word igreja. The school is on top of the hill. Escola, the Portuguese word escola is the escola word is drawn from the Portuguese word escola. Escola, dongul leche, asa. On top of the hill is one word, dongul leche. Dongulli means hill, and on top of is dongulle chair. Chair is on top of. आमी कोंकणीचो सराव करचो. Sarav is practice. We have to practice writing in Konkani. Let us start. So here we start writing Konkani. Thank you.